What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again for another dividend paying video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about my third dividend payment with Huntington Bank. This company pays dividends quarterly, and so now is the time again to get another dividend payment, and I'm going to share that with you guys. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to investing in the stock market, once again, always gives my little disclaimer here, not quite a guru, nowhere close, made a lot of mistakes, but I'm learning, and as a result of that, I'm sharing my journey with you guys, and hopefully this will make it easier for you to build some confidence to consider start investing in the stock market, because this is a very, very good and great way to plan for your retirement. You can always use a little extra money, at least I can. In case you guys are wondering, if you're watching these videos in order, this is the third video with this shirt on. Apparently this is the only shirt that I own, or I'm getting these videos done on the same day. Anyway, like I said, this is my third payment with Huntington Bank. Pretty excited to share this with you guys because I think I'm doing well overall, and I'm in the green as far as my total return. So right now, as you guys can see on the screen, I have my Robinhood portfolio, and currently it's worth $244,000. Today was a pretty decent day in the market. Of course, the market is up and down and all over the place. That's beside the point, because that's just what it is. However, I was able to get my third dividend payment with Huntington Bank, and I'll show you guys that here right now. So currently it's trading for $15.73. It's currently after hours. And as you guys can see here, my total market value is $1,624.38. My total return, which I'm very excited about, is I'm up $348, which happens to be 27%. That is a really, really good return, just because I don't think I've been invested with Huntington Bank for a very long time. Let me just show you guys when I first purchased. So I purchased back in December, so I guess maybe almost a year. So I made a purchase in December, and then I made another purchase in April. So that's not too bad. To be up 27% is freaking incredible. So as you guys can see here, my last dividend payment with Huntington Bank was October the 1st. And because I owned 102 shares, they're paying 15 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment for $15.35. And then, of course, because I have the dividend reinvestment turned on, which is DRIP on Robinhood, if you automatically enable that, Robinhood will grab more shares for you on your behalf with that dividend payment. If you don't enable it, your dividend payment will just sit in your account and it'll say buying power. So like if you had $0 buying power and you get a dividend payment, whatever the amount of that dividend is, that will be reflected in your buying power balance on your Robinhood account or any brokerage account if you don't have dividend reinvesting automatically turned on. Okay, so they were able to grab for me 0.96 shares, almost a full share, and it was for $15.93. Once again, currently Huntington Bank is trading for $15.73. So it was 20 more cents at the time when Robinhood was able to grab those shares. Let me show you guys. I think this is my third dividend payment with Huntington Bank. Let's just show you guys here just for confirmation. So we're looking at only dividends. The first one was back in April, the second one was July, and the third one is October. So they're giving these dividend payments out quarterly and at the beginning of the month. So it's not quite a huge jump, right? $15 to $15.19 to $15.36. 35 cents, can't read. And so it's not a huge jump, but that's beside the point because we're just going to consistently invest. And I haven't really been aggressively adding to my position, every single month I'm going to invest $100 with this company to grab more shares. I really haven't been doing that because I feel like I have a lot of money already in Robinhood. And so I'm always kind of like deciding what do I want to do. And so currently I'm dabbling with day trading, not really day trading, but swing trading on my Webull app. I don't really like Webull, but it's a different platform and it allows me to trade Tesla. And I want to just dabble with that and kind of see if I can, make profits. And I'm doing okay so far. So of course, be sure to check those videos out when I make them and upload them. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Look, my account's now worth $245,000.47, of course, because this video is live right now and the market's still kind of open. It's pre-market, not pre-market, it's after hours, but it's still open. So of course the amount is going to be fluctuating. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.